Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel, where we explore the most insane machines ever built. And today, buckle up because what you're about to see will completely change the way you think about luxury travel. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a $10 million rolling mansion, a masterpiece of design and technology that makes even private jets feel outdated. Meet the 2026 luxury motorhome, the world's most expensive home on wheels, and trust me, you won't believe what's inside. Let's dive right in. The exterior alone is a jaw-dropper and a sleek, futuristic shell crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, with automatic leveling, adaptive LED lighting, and a panoramic smart glass roof that tints itself with a single touch. This thing doesn't just move, it glides. Step inside and it's like walking into a 5-star penthouse suite on wheels. We're talking Italian marble floors, hand-stitched leather walls, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. The 2026 edition takes comfort to an entirely new level. The moment you enter, a built-in AI system greets you by name and adjusts temperature, lighting, and even music based on your preferences. The living area features a 98-inch 8K smart OLED screen that rises from a hidden compartment, a zero-gravity recliner system, and an integrated mini theater setup powered by a surround sound system that makes every movie night feel cinematic. And the kitchen? A full chef's dream with a smart induction island, voice-controlled refrigerator, and an automatic coffee bar that can brew everything from espresso to macchiato in seconds. The bedroom is pure elegance, a king-size floating bed, retractable ceiling skylight for stargazing, and a hidden jewelry safe behind the mirror. Even the bathroom feels royal. Heated marble floors, rainfall shower with aromatherapy, and gold-accented fixtures that redefine luxury. But the technology doesn't stop there. The 2026 model includes solar-integrated panels, AI-assisted driving, auto-navigation parking, and even drone surveillance for security. It's like having your own futuristic fortress on wheels. Whether you're crossing continents or just chasing sunsets, this motorhome gives you one promise: you'll never miss home again. So, what do you think? Would you live full-time in this $10 million masterpiece? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know if you'd trade your house for this dream machine. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Plus, and turn on the bell for more incredible luxury machine reviews every week. Until next time, this is Auto Plus, and remember, luxury isn't just a destination, it's how you travel.